Alright, hey guys, today I wanted to make breakfast, but my mom was at the gym and my dad was in a meeting, so I decided to make avocado toast. So first I cut the hammam bread, so you can check out hammam bread in the Mazmi's channel, and the video is linked here. So first you cut the hammam bread in half, like I did with the other one. Then you spray them with water. Then you put them in the oven, sorry. So first you cut open the avocado. Now you cut to take out the seed. Ouch. But we got that all bandaged up. Now you scoop out the avocados. Now you scoop out the seed instead of using the knife, then you scoop out the avocados. And now we're gonna mash the avocados with the fork. So, yeah, while we do this, the hammam bread is being prepared. So, once we finish up, we are now gonna butter the hammam bread like you would do on cream cheese on a sandwich. Because, who doesn't like cream cheese? Usually I'd make cream cheese, but why not avocado? Because it's better. So, as we butter this on, after I butter this on, you apply it generously to every toast. So, everything bagel seasoning, Himalayan pink salt. You can just take a screenshot if you want to see the ingredients. Sorry, I couldn't finish that quick enough, but you'll figure it out as soon as you take the screenshot. So now we're gonna sprinkle it on, and now we're gonna put it. Ta-da! What a wonderful avocado sandwich.